David, who is very picky with the cylindricity accuracy of hydraulic cartridge directional valves, has been convinced by AAK with 2 mm accuracy. David from Israel collaborated with hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers in China since 2018. AAK has supplied him with several hydraulic cartridge proportional valves that are equivalent to HydraForce standard parts, and it has always been very smooth. In May of this year, a hydraulic cartridge directional valve with high requirements for cylindricity made him very upset. This hydraulic cartridge directional valve is used in hydraulic systems for navigation with high accuracy requirements. Especially the cylindricity accuracy cannot exceed 3 mm. David disliked the high price of AAK and chose another hydraulic cartridge directional valve manufacturer in Ningbo, China. Later, I learned that it was just 12% higher. I told David that there are no more than 3 manufacturers in Ningbo that has this model, but not every manufacturer can control the cylindricity of each hydraulic cartridge directional valve within 3 mm. Last week, David emailed me to check if AAK controlled the cylindricity accuracy of each hydraulic cartridge directional valve within 3 mm. After communication, it was learned that his procurement from the other hydraulic cartridge directional valve manufacturer was not smooth. The cylindricity of the manufacturer's hydraulic cartridge directional valve hole is unstable. Although most of the accuracy can be within 3 mm, those unqualified hydraulic cartridge directional valves, which are not sensitive to opening and closing, have affected the entire hydraulic system. Their engineers required that the accuracy of each hydraulic cartridge directional valve hole be controlled within 3 mm. The manufacturer requested a 30% price increase because the 30% of unqualified hydraulic cartridge directional valves will be wasted. I told David that whether the cylindricity accuracy of the hydraulic cartridge directional valve hole is stable or not depends on the machining, but each one needs to meet accuracy of within 3 mm. The key lies in 100% detection, and a high sensitivity cylindricity measuring instrument is required. AAK can control the cylindricity accuracy of each hydraulic cartridge directional valve hole to be within 2 mm, which is higher than 3 mm accuracy that he requested. The detection of the cylindricity accuracy of the hydraulic cartridge directional valve hole is carried out by AAK, using the Japanese yo-yo measuring instrument and connected to the roundness analysis software. The measurement data and graphics can be summarized and analyzed first, and then the detection results can be obtained. Especially, the Z-axis comes with a digital ruler with a rotation accuracy up to 0.04 plus 6H-10,000 mm. Equipped with DAT function, it avoids errors in adjusting the instrument manually and ensures timely screening of each substandard valve hole cylindricity. Most hydraulic cartridge valve manufacturers in China do not use this testing instrument and may not conduct 100% full inspection. AAK hydraulic cartridge directional valve, the cylindricity accuracy is not only controlled in processing, but also in detection. You can give it a try.